30 years ago, the loofah was a simple plant, often overlooked in the grand tapestry of agriculture. It grew in gardens across Asia, thriving in the warm, humid climates that suited its growth. Farmers saved seeds from the best fruits, carefully selecting those that promised the most robust plants. These seeds held the potential for the next generation, a promise of continuity and sustenance. The loofah vines climbed towards the sun, their tendrils reaching out in a dance of life and growth. Their yellow flowers attracted buzzing bees, essential pollinators that ensured the cycle of life continued. These conventional varieties produced fruits of varying sizes and textures, each with its unique characteristics. Some were thick and fibrous, perfect for scrubbing, their rough texture ideal for cleaning. Others were thinner and more delicate, destined for the kitchen, where they would be transformed into culinary delights. The loofah, though humble, held a special place in many cultures, revered for its versatility and usefulness. In the kitchen, it was a culinary delight, adding a unique texture and flavor to dishes. It soaked up the rich flavors of stir-fries and soups, becoming a beloved ingredient in many traditional recipes. Its mild taste complemented a variety of dishes, making it a versatile addition to any meal. Beyond the kitchen, the loofah transformed into a natural sponge, its fibrous interior perfect for cleaning, its fibrous interior gently exfoliated skin, providing a natural and effective way to cleanse and rejuvenate. It was a sustainable alternative to synthetic sponges, offering an eco-friendly option for households. Yet, despite its versatility, the loofah remained largely unchanged for centuries, bound by traditional farming practices. Farmers relied on traditional methods passed down through generations, each one adding their wisdom to the cultivation process. They selected the healthiest plants, hoping for a bountiful harvest, but nature often had its own plans. But the yields were often unpredictable, with some seasons bringing abundance and others scarcity. The quality of the loofahs varied from plant to plant, a testament to the challenges of traditional farming. This was the state of the loofah 3 decades ago, a simple plant with untapped potential. A simple plant full of potential but limited by traditional practices and the unpredictability of nature. Little did anyone know a revolution was about to begin, one that would transform the humble loofah into a symbol of innovation and sustainability. The world of agriculture was changing. With the advent of new technologies and scientific advancements, traditional farming methods were being revolutionized. Scientists were unlocking the secrets of plant genetics. They delved deep into the DNA of plants, understanding their intricate makeup and how they could be improved. They began to experiment with hybridization. This process was not new, but the precision and scale at which it was now being done were unprecedented. This technique involved crossbreeding different varieties of a plant. By doing so, they aimed to combine the best traits of each variety into a single superior plant. The goal was to combine desirable traits. These included disease resistance, higher yield, better fruit quality, and adaptability to different climates. The loofah, with its untapped potential, became a prime candidate for hybridization. Known for its versatility and various uses, the loofah was perfect for this scientific endeavor. Researchers carefully selected parent plants. They meticulously chose plants that exhibited the best traits. They looked for specific characteristics like disease resistance, robustness, and the ability to produce high-quality fruits. Yield and fruit quality were paramount. The researchers wanted to ensure that the new hybrids would be superior in every way. Through meticulous cross-pollination, they created the first generation of hybrid loofahs. This was a painstaking process, requiring precision and patience. These hybrids exhibited a marked improvement over their conventional counterparts. The impact was significant. The new loofahs were stronger, healthier, and more productive. Farmers noticed a visible difference. The hybrid loofahs were more resilient and required less maintenance. Hybrid loofahs grew more vigorously. They thrived in various conditions, making them ideal for different regions. They produced more fruits per plant. This was a game changer for farmers who relied on loofah crops for their livelihood. The quality of the loofahs was also enhanced. The fruits were not only more abundant but also of superior quality. The fruits were more uniform in size and shape. This consistency was crucial for marketability and consumer satisfaction. This consistency was welcomed by both consumers and the food industry. High-quality uniform loofahs meant better products and happier customers. Farmers who adopted these hybrids saw a rise in their profits. The increased yield and quality translated to better sales and higher income. The increased yield meant more loofahs to sell. Farmers could now meet the growing demand with ease. The improved quality commanded higher prices in the market. This was a win-win situation for both farmers and consumers. Word of these super loofahs spread quickly. Farmers from different regions were eager to learn about and adopt these new hybrids. Farmers who had initially resisted change were now eager to embrace the new technology. Workshops and training sessions were held to educate them on the benefits and techniques of hybrid loofah cultivation. The success of hybrid loofahs marked a turning point. It was a testament to the power of science and innovation in transforming agriculture. It ushered in a new era of loofah cultivation driven by science and innovation. The collaboration between scientists and farmers paved the way for a brighter, more sustainable future in agriculture. As research into hybrid loofahs intensified, a particular variety emerged as a game-changer. This variety was not just another step in the evolution of loofah plants, it was a monumental leap that promised to revolutionize the industry. Developed by the Dingpai Seed Company, the 3-2 loofah quickly became a sensation. The company, known for its innovative approach to plant breeding, had outdone itself with this new variety. Its name hinted at its remarkable ability, the capacity to produce 3 loofahs from every 2 vines. This was a breakthrough that had farmers and scientists alike buzzing with excitement. This was a significant jump from traditional varieties, which typically produced fewer fruits and required more resources to cultivate. The 3-2 loofah was a game changer in terms of both yield and efficiency. The secret behind the 3-2 loofah lay in its genetics. Years of meticulous research and selective breeding had culminated in a plant that was not only more productive but also more resilient. Years of careful breeding had resulted in a plant with exceptional vigor and fruit-bearing capacity. The loofah plants grew at an astonishing rate, showcasing their robust health and vitality. Farmers were amazed by its performance in the field. The 3-2 loofah not only met but exceeded their expectations, delivering bountiful harvests season after season. The vines grew with an unprecedented robustness, quickly covering trellises and fences. This vigorous growth meant that farmers could maximize their use of space, leading to more efficient farming practices. But it wasn't just the quantity that impressed growers. The quality of the loofahs was equally remarkable, setting a new standard in the industry. The 3-2 loofah also boasted superior quality. Each fruit was uniformly long and thick, making them ideal for a variety of uses. The fruits were uniformly long and thick, with a desirable texture for both culinary and bath purposes. This versatility made them a favorite among consumers and professionals alike. Consumers loved the improved quality. The 3-2 loofah quickly became a sought-after item in markets, with people appreciating its superior characteristics. Chefs appreciated the consistent size for their dishes. The uniformity of the loofahs made them easier to work with, ensuring that every dish met their high standards. And bath enthusiasts enjoyed the durability and effectiveness of their natural sponges. The 3-2 loofah provided a luxurious experience, making it a popular choice for personal care. The 3-2 loofah became a symbol of the progress made in loofah breeding. It represented the culmination of years of hard work and dedication by scientists and farmers. It demonstrated the power of science to enhance a humble plant. The success of the 3-2 loofah was a testament to what could be achieved through innovation and perseverance. This variety paved the way for even more ambitious research. Scientists were inspired to push the boundaries of what was possible, exploring new ways to improve loofah plants further. The pursuit of the ultimate loofah was far from over. With the success of the 3-2 loofah, the future of loofah breeding looked brighter than ever, promising even more exciting developments on the horizon. Section 4. The Tetraploid, breakthrough doubling down on potential. While hybrid loofahs were revolutionizing the market, a groundbreaking discovery in the lab promised to further elevate the loofah's potential. Scientists successfully induced tetraploidy in loofah plants. This meant doubling the number of chromosomes within the plant's cells. This might sound complex, but the implications were profound. Tetraploid plants are often larger and more robust than their diploid counterparts. They can exhibit enhanced characteristics such as increased fruit size and nutritional content. The creation of tetraploid loofahs opened up exciting possibilities. Breeders now had a powerful tool to further enhance the loofah's desirable traits. The initial tetraploid loofahs were impressive. They produced significantly larger fruits. The vines were more vigorous and resistant to stress. However, there was a catch. Tetraploid plants often have reduced fertility. This meant that while the fruits were impressive, there were fewer of them. This challenge did not deter the researchers. They continued to experiment with these tetraploid lines, searching for ways to overcome the fertility hurdle. Little did they know the solution lay in harnessing the power of three. Section 5. The power of three. Triploid loofah takes center stage. Building on the tetraploid breakthrough, scientists achieved another milestone, the creation of triploid loofahs. Triploid plants have three sets of chromosomes, a result of crossing a tetraploid plant with a diploid plant. This genetic makeup confers a unique set of advantages. Triploid loofahs inherited the best of both worlds. They possessed the enhanced size and vigor of their tetraploid parent while overcoming the fertility issues. The results were astounding. Triploid loofahs yielded even larger fruits than their tetraploid counterparts, and they did so abundantly. But the benefits of triploidy extended beyond size and yield. Triploid loofahs also boasted enhanced nutritional content. They contained higher levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants compared to both diploid and tetraploid varieties. This made them not only larger and more abundant, but also more nutritious. The development of triploid loofahs marked a pivotal moment in loofah research. It showcased the power of genetic manipulation to create a superior agricultural product. These triploid varieties quickly gained popularity among farmers and consumers alike, solidifying the loofah's position as a culinary and household staple.